Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making vegan banana and walnut bread. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the vegan banana and walnut bread. You will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of crushed walnuts, 1 cup of vegan butter or margarine melted, 3 ripe bananas, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is how your vegan banana bread should look like. Serve it with some chai and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!